Built first for the 2000 season, this car was a machine. Built around a carbon fiber and aluminium honeycomb chassis and powered by a twin turbocharged 3.6 litre V8, the R8 was built to win, and win it certainly did. Its first outing at Le Mans in 2000 saw the R8 take first, second and third place, truly wiping the floor with the competition. 2001 was a similar story, taking first and second, only losing out on third due to a retirement, but restoring the full podium in 2002 with yet another 1-2-3 finish. Audi would go on to win again with the R8 in both 2004 and again in 2005.